The number of COVID-19 cases is rising faster than we've seen in weeks. Nationwide, more than 50,000 cases were reported daily for at least 5 days in a row. Now, here in Colorado, the rise in cases is causing concern. So joining me now is CBS 4 medical editor Dr. Dave Hnida. And Dr. Dave, Governor Polis extended the state's mask mandate as we've seen this jump in cases and hospitalizations. Do you think more restrictions will need to be put in place if the numbers don't improve?
I think that's a big fear right now, is that we are going to wind up having things get much more strict as the weeks go on. I think that we have particular concern about 3 counties in particular, but from a statewide standpoint, it obviously is a big concern as well as nationwide. I think that when you take a look at what's been going on, it seems like week by week by week by week, we just keep on saying the same thing. The numbers are going up. And in particularly what's disturbing is the number of hospitalizations. And there are 2 trends to take a look at in this picture. And that is that hospitalizations are up in Colorado all the way across the board. So it's not just older people, seniors, who are having issues with being put in the hospital because of COVID. It is all age groups. We're seeing patients in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s who wind up landing in the hospital because of complications from having severe COVID. The other thing that we're seeing here in our state is it's really social gatherings or family gatherings that are driving the increase in infections in our state. So it's not just simply a matter of people are going out and going to the grocery store or so forth. It is people getting together with others in a situation where they think it's safe because it's like, well, I know this person, so I'm okay. But that's not necessarily the case. You have to think about this from the standpoint of you come in contact with someone who you're actually really coming in contact with every single person they have come in contact with over the previous 14 days. So COVID is a weird disease because it has invisible tentacles, the invisible octopus, so to speak. It has a reach that can wind up causing illness in you or your loved ones, and you don't have any idea where it originally started.
Yeah, just another reminder, it's just important to not let your guard down no matter how comfortable you feel right now.
Sure.